Appeal dismiss.
Item number 9, WC Criminal 27 of 2023.
Wait petition dismiss. Interim order vacated.
Item number 10, Criminal Appeal 41 of 2023.
Appeal partly allowed. Conviction and sentence under section 201 IPC stands set aside. But conviction under section 304 part 1 upheld.
Any mention?
Need picture. Item number 6, can it be the next week? As the council, Mr. M.K. Das is not well.
On the bear being made by Mr.
A. Das, on behalf of M.K. Das.
K. Das, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. M.K. Das, learned counsel for the appellant, recessal is the matter.
Next week, Your Lordship.
Next week.
Much obliged, Your Lordship. And service is not also complete upon response number 2, Your Lordship.
Service complete.
Not complete, Your Lordship. As per the office note. I checked the office note, Your Lordship.
Okay,
It will be listed after the service completion of service, Your Lordship.
recessal leaves the matter after completion of service upon respondent number 2.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Who will take a step?
A service steps has been taken, Your Lordship.
Step taken.
Steps taken.
Okay.
Much obliged. Your Lordship, we are directed to take fresh steps. So we'll take fresh steps on the response number 2, Your Lordship.
You want to take fresh
Fresh
steps?
steps.
Okay. Okay.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
For motion, item 1.
But earlier it was rejected by Your Lordship. The second time I have come before Your Lordship, my lord. My lord, now Your Lordship will definitely ask me what is the new ground.
Yes.
Now, my lord, we pray for update the investigation. And my lord, my mother is badly ill. That's why, my lord, I have to hospitalize her for the operation, my lord. That I have annexed at page 28, my lord. That is the main ground before Your Lordship. My lord.
Since of 11/7.
Yes,
dated.
my lord.
Okay, let the city come. When? Friday?
Friday, Lordship. On Monday, next Lordship.
Monday, I will not sit here.
Friday, Lordship.
Recessal, what is the case I record this part? No, not Wednesday. Additional week. So what is the case I before this court on Friday? But Friday.
Item 2 for bail hearing.
None appears for the accused on call or SSL is the matter on when?
Next week, Lordship.
Next week,
During first week of August.
first week of August. Oh. Next week.
Item 3,
Highly obliged.
413 an application on the type prisoner. My lord, can you see the last order where scan copy has been sold?
Pardon?
My lord, scan copy has been sold.
Scan copy not received, Lordship.
My lord, we have some urgency. My lord, can it be fixed next week, Thursday, my lord?
Next week.
Thursday, my lord. Scan copy only from Guwahati, my lord. It will come.
Next week, Thursday.
Yes, my lord.
Thursday, tomorrow, next week. Thursday.
Next week.
Next week.
Yes, but perhaps sometime they required, my lord.
Scan copy not received.
Lordship,
No,
not received. There is a office note, Lordship.
Office note dated 12/7/24 indicates that scan copy of the record has not been received from the learned trial court. Accordingly, it is provided that Registrar shall issue reminder to the learned trial court fixing the matter on Friday, Thursday.
Thursday, next Thursday, my
Thursday.
lord, so that it can be disposed of, my lord.
Okay.
On 24th,
20.
at number 4,
In item number 4, Lordship, we have not received the CD, Lordship.
You are on interim?
No.
No. P02. This is second application.
Yes, my lord. Then Friday, Lordship.
When the first application was rejected. June.
On 6/6.
Next Friday. Okay, next Friday.
My lord, हम लोग prior to you, my lord, that I am not no way connection with this case, my lord. My lord, I am not there at the
Earlier
place of
state.
occurrence, my lord. My lord, actually I am working with electronic media, my lord. Sometimes I raise the voice against the illegality of the localities, my lord. But
No,
unfortunately-
earlier bail petition was rejected after perusing the case date. Right?
Yes.
So some materials are found against you. Therefore,
my name is in the.
you
my
cannot
lord.
take that ground now. Okay, we'll see. Let the city come.
on 25th July. On 25th July, Friday.
25th July.
Right.
Learned additional PP submits that he has not received the case ID. Accordingly, it is provided that registrar leaves the matter on 25th. And on that day, learned additional PP shall produce the case ID before this court. Yes, next item.
Item 5,
CD received, Lordship.
May please, your lordship. My lord, affair is pays, my lord, 12,
This is
my lord.
second application,
No, my lord.
first application.
My lord.
Acha. What is annexer 2?
My lord, annexer 2 is the, my lord, order of some other accused person, my lord.
They were granted bail.
Yes, your lordship. 2 other accused are granted bail, my lord. I have annex 1 and another is, my lord, with my copy, my lord.
BA maybe.
BA,
Those are BA, Lordship.
BA, your
This
in-
is A.
No, those cases are
BA, my lord, BA. And this is the, my lord, AB, my lord. My lord, kindly see FAR pays, my lord, 15, my lord. May I read, my lord?
Hmm.
My lord, on 24, 2024, my lord, it should be 23, my lord. Maybe some month, my lord, 24, 2024, my lord. This is, my lord, should be 2000, my lord, 23, my lord, because first address, my lord, 21-3, FR Lawson, my lord, 21-3. My lord, on 24, 2024 at around 11:30 p.m. With reference to GD number so and so, myself along with my PSO number so and so went for domination and patrolling duty at areas or Kasaripara on vehicle bearing number so and so. We witnessed suspicious motorbike movement in that area. Technically getting closer, we approach a person who's self-identified as ASG Azad Sheikh so and so. That is the petitioner, my lord. A few meters away, my lord, we witness Shahinur Islam, son of so and so, village or Kasaripara, and person known as Bashar, might be Elias, along with 8 to 10 cattle which were guided toward international border. As we says them, they crossed the stream of Jinjiram River toward Meghalaya. From there, they threatened the police party of their consequences. They also pelted stone on the police party, which damaged the police vehicle and also injured my right. Taking advantage of the chaos, Azad Sheikh fled away Meghalaya. However, we found his motorbike bearing number so and so. My lord, the affair has, my lord, two parts. First part, my lord, relating to the, my lord, suspicious motorbike movement. My lord, in that area, my lord. This is, my lord, relating to the, my lord, petitioner. What happened, my lord, on the day of incident, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, riding his motorbike to procure medicine for his mother from, my lord, Helidingus market. Suddenly, on the way to Helidingus market, his motorbike was, my lord, developed some defect. So he parked his motorbike in the side of the road, and he gone to hire a, my lord, motor mechanics, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, his motorbike was seized, my lord. This is the, my lord, reason, my lord, the name of the petitioner involved in this, my lord, affair, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, the two other persons, they are already arrested, and they are connected with the, my lord, cow and the, my lord, stone pentailing, and, my lord, the, my lord, creating to the police, my lord. The second part, petitioner is no connection, my lord. And the petitioner, my lord, is a local person, my lord. He is, my lord, willing to cooperate with the, my lord, investigation, my lord. Since, my lord, main accused arrested, my lord, no further custodial interrogation is required, my lord. This is my humble submission before your lordship, my lord. And my case is, I have stated in paragraph, my lord, paragraph 6, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Locker.
7,
So
my lord.
as per city lordship, first police intercepted him lordship while he was moving there with suspiciously. Thereafter, while he was police caught him, and thereafter police heard some hue and cry nearby. Thereafter, police ran to that place. Thereafter, this person also ran there, and police they or he. What he has done, he crossed all the say 8-9 cows. Lordship, he crossed the river, and after he also crossed the river, and from that side he also pelted stone upon them, lordship.
Can I see the case?
This affair reveals that ritual painting by the, my lord, Shahinur Islam and, my lord, Bashar, my lord.
Pardon me, sir.
And
Mr.
Islam, my lord.
Learned counsel for the applicant and Mr. Yes, Locker learned additional PP for the state respondent. Apprehending arrest in connection with Suksor PS case number 19 of 2022 under section 3 of 2023, 336 or 27, 34 IPC. Read with section 13(1)(16) of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act. This application under section 438 service is preferred by accused. The preferred by applicant, namely Azad SK alias AAZ Azad Sheikh, Azad SK, for grant of real estate. It is to be noted here that above noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lodged by one. No, lodged by PSP Ansul Sharma on 21/3/2024. The allegation, essence of allegation in the FIR dated so and so is that on 23/3/2024 at about 11:30 PM. He has apprehended 3 persons, namely AHZ Azad SK, Shahinur Islam and Bosar, along with 8-10 numbers of cow, which are being taken towards international border, and on being sussed, they have crossed the stream of Zinjiram River towards Meghalaya, and from there they have threatened the police staff with dire consequences and also pelted a stone on the police party and damaged the vehicle and caused injuries over the right knee of the informant. Mr. Ahmed, learned counsel for the, no, Mr. Islam, learned counsel for the applicant, submits that the applicant is innocent and no way involved with the offense alleged, and that on the relevant that he went to purchase medicine for his mother. And on the way, the motorcycle motorcycle developed technical mistakes for which he could not go to purchase the medicine. In the meantime, police apprehended him. And that he is ready to cooperate with the investigating agency, and some of the accused have already been arrested and granted bail by this court and also by the learned.
Both the bail granted by this honorable court, my lord.
By the learned sessions, South Salmara Kasai. And he is ready to cooperate with the investigating agency, and therefore it is contended to allow the petition. Whereas Mr. P.S. Lawford, learned additional PP, has published a case before this court and submits that the IO has collected sufficient incriminating materials against the present applicant.
First one is the complaint statement received. The
And-
second flag is the witness's statement.
He is involved with smuggling of cattle, and also he attacked a police personnel and injured the informant. And therefore, Mr. Lawcore has opposed the petition. Where having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, I have carefully gone to the petition and the documents placed on the record, and also perused the case with the assistance of Mr. Lawford, learned additional PP. Is there any injury report?
Injury, but I have not seen this. But the witnesses implicated him also. The second flag also, the witnesses implicated him also. And he is the habituated person also then. They are transporting cattle towards to the Bangladesh person. And apart from this, he is also he was a home guard also.
There is specific allegation against you.
My lord, kindly see the, my lord, the Caesar list
The
of the,
statement of the informant.
kindly just see the Caesar list of the, my lord, vehicle, my lord. If petitioner was, my lord, arrested, then, my lord, Caesar list would have been, my lord, signed by the petitioner, my lord. But his bike was, my lord, says, my lord, without his, my lord, with his absent, my lord.
a person working in a.
So, material is there. To show that you left the vehicle at the place of occurrence and flew away towards Meghalaya. The case diary indicates that the IO has collected sufficient incriminating materials in support of the allegation made in the FIR. Investigation is going on. Custodial interrogation of the applicants accordingly seems to be warranted here in this case, and therefore this petition stands dismissed. Case diary be returned.
Item number 11.
Earlier, bless your lordship.
Right, please, your lordship. Here is the second bail application, lordship. Earlier bail application was rejected relying on the birth certificate of the victim. Here, my second ground is that she is major, lordship, her school certificate, school living certificate I have enclosed that your lordship will find at page 23, which is also seized by the investigating officer. I have enclosed the seizure list also, page 22 and 23.
Person here in this case, whether service is completed, I think service is not completed, Lordship.
But
This is
from
also.
the
also is there.
documents, I can place that she was major at the time of alleged incident, lordship. She was
Maybe,
above
but,
86 of age.
we have to observe the formality. This is under POXO Act also. Lordship.
Already lordship, we have taken steps, we have given the copy as directed by your lordship. And it is
To
the
the
detail-
PP?
Yes, through the PP, lordship.
When?
Immediately on the next day of the order, lordship.
You have the copy with you?
That,
Mr. Lokur,
I
it
asked
is your duty to produce the report.
Also, I asked our official person, also no report has come in this person.
You contact with the
we can ask
officer in
the
search concerned PS. Tomorrow we will take it up.
lordship.
CD is available?
CD is available.
Okay. Heard Mr. Amel, learned counsel for the applicant, and Mr. PS Lokur, learned additional PP, learned order state respondent, Mr. Lokur submits that. Though step has been taken upon respondent number 2. The report of service. The service report has not been received from the officer in search concerned PS, and he prays for granting him 1 day time to obtain necessary instruction from the officer in search 0600 PS. Here is accordingly allowed. License will release the matter tomorrow, so as to enable Mr. Locker to produce the service report before this court.
Obliged.
Till then, case they will be retained.
Obliged.
Item 7, further matter for hearing.
Mr. Khatoniar was supposed to update your lordship today.
Yes.
Lordship, I am appearing for elementary education.
Mm.
The instruction sought for is to come from the secondary education department, Lordship. The school where it was earlier under elementary education was amalgamated with a high school, and after that it is come under the secondary education.
Hmm.
Then the instructions should come from the secondary education, Lordship.
Now, what to do?
Lordship may pass an order directing the secondary education to provide that instruction, Lordship.
Heard, Mr.
Yes, Islam.
S. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner,
Petitioner.
and Mr. A.W. Aman,
My lord.
learned counsel for the respondent, and Ms. S. Kaur, learned government advocate for the district elementary education
Elementary
officer.
education, Lordship.
Ms. Kaur submits that the concerned school has been amalgamated with a secondary school, with a high school.
Lordship.
High school, and now the control of the side school comes under the Directorate of
Secondary
Secondary
education.
Education, and as such, the report has to come from the Director of Secondary Education, and therefore Ms. Kaur contended that necessary order may be passed to obtain the report from the Director of Secondary Education. In view of the submission advanced at the bar, it is provided that Ms. Kaur, no, who will represent the secondary education, Director, Secondary Education then?
SMT 60. Extending Council Secondary Education.
Accordingly, it is provided that the learned counsel for the petitioner shall implement the Director of Secondary Education as respondent number 2 and shall take necessary steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2. That be taken within 2 working days from today. And list the matter on 23rd,
Just 22nd.
22nd.
A little earlier, my lord. First.
So you can serve a copy of the this petition and notice to Mr. Sistri, Standing Counsel for the Secondary Education, right? Is hearing the matter criminal revision bill?
Deeply applied.